Hey y'all, it's Andrea with Sucs For You in Houston, Texas, and I had these two big planters to pot up, and I was going to show you guys what I do to fill them up so I don't have to use a ton of dirt. All we have in there is a variety of cans and bottles, and then mostly bottles over here just from the recycling, and I'm going to fill that up halfway or so with the mixed soil that I have here, and then we'll start adding the plants to it. But just a quick little video showing you how to save some dirt and also lighten up the pots a little bit. So one thing is over here, and you'll see that the bottles are all upside down, and that way they don't fill up with water or soil or anything like that. They're just going to stay upside down in there and help save some space, and again help lighten up the pots a little bit. So the funny thing is, my husband brought home this sticks on fire, a pineapple, a roadkill cactus, and this euphorbia. I didn't buy these, but he's getting into succulents now too, and other plants. But yeah, I think he hopes that I like them too. But I do believe that he has an eye for certain things that he likes, and I'm not complaining at all. Seems like he has pretty good taste. So we got to figure out. I think I'm going to put the euphorbia in one and then the cactus in the other. So let's give that a whirl. We'll just turn it on its side, okay? Hope. I've got a little towel just to help support the plant a little bit. Okay. Yeah, it's coming out nice. There we go. Easy. And then take these right into the pot. Try and center it. And then just come in and fill it up. There we go. One down. These are a little spiky, but not too bad. I'm trying to just keep them all clumped together at the root ball, but since the soil is dry and falling apart, falling out of the pot, let's do this. I'm going to wrap you all up. Okay. Let's see. There we go. Into the bottom. These aren't rooted very deeply. Looks like they were cuttings. Shouldn't have been potted that deep. But it is what it is, huh? Alright, and that's our other pot. So that was it. Quick and easy. They're still pretty heavy, but you know what? That kind of helps, at least when you don't want someone coming and yanking something off your porch. And on that note, the other one might be like basically spineless, but it does still have some glow kits, and those I think are even worse because they're really hard to see, hard to get out of your skin. And this, of course, is a euphorbia, so it has a toxic milky latex, and you can actually see that some came out when I was repotting it. So I'm gonna go wash my hands and make sure I don't rub my eyes or anything. But that's it. So yeah, you can use a lot of different kinds of things to fill up big planters, but just remember that you don't want them filling up with water when you water them. You don't want to have to worry about it being too heavy, unless that's your point, is you want to weigh it down. Then go ahead and use big heavy stuff to fill it up with, whatever you want, bricks, rocks. There's plenty of drainage in there still. There's a drainage hole at the bottom, of course, in both of these. So that's it. And hope you guys enjoyed the video, even though it was quick. And maybe you have some big planters you need to fill up, and we're avoiding it because you didn't want to waste a lot of soil. Alright, take care, guys.